All right, today we're going to talk about something that is totally changing the game for Drupal developers. I'm talking about using AI to completely revolutionize debugging.
So get this, a recent survey found that a whopping 78% of Drupal developers are already using AI in their work. I mean, that's a massive jump from just 50% the year before. This isn't some futuristic, far-off idea anymore. It's here, right now, and adoption is just skyrocketing. So the real question becomes, how do you actually use it effectively?
Yeah, it's not really a question of if you should use AI anymore. It's about how. How can you take this amazing tech and point it at one of the biggest headaches we all face as developers, debugging? How do we turn it into a practical tool that actually saves us time and a whole lot of frustration?
Okay, first things first, let's talk about the problem we're trying to solve here. What I'm calling Drupal's debugging dilemma. I mean, modern Drupal projects are way more complex than they used to be, right? You've got headless front ends, all these external services. The old ways of debugging are just, well, they're too slow.
And what we're seeing here is a huge shift in mindset. We're moving away from that slow, reactive way of doing things, just waiting for something to break and then scrambling. Instead, we're moving to a fast, proactive approach, one where an AI assistant helps you stop bugs before they even happen and find the root cause almost instantly when they do. This is a total game changer.
And look, the urgency here is real. This isn't some slow, gradual trend. It's a massive, super fast shift. We're talking thousands of live Drupal sites integrating AI workflows in just a couple of weeks. The industry is moving at lightning speed. And honestly, to keep up, you really need to get a handle on how this stuff works.
So, okay, let's meet your new AI assistant. And I want to be super clear about something right up front. This is not about replacing developers. Not at all. Think of it more like an indispensable co-pilot. It's there to handle all the tedious, annoying stuff so you can focus your brain power on the really hard problems. Okay, but where do I even start? Good question. The absolute best place is with a template like Drupal CMS AI. What it is basically a pre-configured Drupal site that lets you see real live working examples of AI calls, how to handle the responses, API integrations, the whole shebang. It's like a safe playground where you can just jump in and get your hands dirty.
And honestly, here's the best part. You can try all this stuff out, experiment with these super powerful tools for free for 30 days. That completely removes any barrier to entry, right? You can just explore how this might fit into your workflow. No commitment necessary.
Now, this specific template is all about using AI for content creation. But don't let that fool you. The real value is that it teaches you the fundamental patterns you're going to need to build your own debugging helpers. We're talking about crucial stuff like how to manage API keys securely, how to analyze text for patterns, like in log files, and how to embed AI right into the UI where you need it.
Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. What are the core capabilities, or let's call them superpowers, of an AI debugging assistant? Superpower number 1, smarter analysis. So instead of you manually digging through endless log files, just imagine asking your system a question in plain English. Something like, hey, show me all the errors related to failing web form submissions from the last 24 hours. And bam, you get an instant, clear summary. This is all made possible by cool techniques like RAG, that's Retrieval Augmented Generation, which basically lets the AI pull answers directly from your own project's data.
All right, superpower number 2 is faster fixes. This is huge. It means when you get one of those super cryptic fatal errors, you can literally just paste it into your code editor and ask an AI assistant like Claude or Gemini for a fix. And it doesn't just spit out code. It'll actually explain why that fix works, which is so important for learning.
And last but not least, superpower number 3, automated prevention. This is where we get really proactive. This is about getting ahead of bugs completely. So after you fix an issue, your AI assistant can look at the fix and automatically suggest or even write for you new automated tests to make sure that same type of bug can never happen again. This totally changes your role, right? You're not just a bug fixer anymore. You're more like a quality architect, designing these robust testing strategies that the AI helps you build out.
So, we have these amazing superpowers. The big question is, how do we combine them into a practical, repeatable, 5-step workflow?
Well, it really comes down to the simple 5-step loop. First, you capture the data, your logs and errors. Then you enrich it, giving it project-specific context. Third, you let the AI analyze everything and propose solutions. Step 4, you validate those fixes with tests. And finally,
You have the AI document the whole incident. The beautiful thing is, this loop keeps you, the developer, in the driver's seat, while the AI does all the heavy lifting. And the best part, it gets smarter with every single bug you fix.
And this right here is the absolute crucial point. This isn't just about a one-time fix. No way. It's about creating a system that gets better and better over time. Your AI tools learn from every incident. Your test suite gets stronger and more comprehensive. It creates this amazing virtuous cycle that just keeps boosting your team's efficiency and the quality of your code.
Okay, let's talk about getting started. How do you begin your own AI journey? I think the most important thing to take away is that this isn't experimental stuff anymore. This is a practical, proven way to build more reliable Drupal sites, and frankly, with less effort.
And the thing is, you can start right now, for free, today. With that 30-day trial for the Drupal CMS AI template we talked about, there is absolutely zero barrier to getting started. You can just dive in and see for yourself what this can do for your projects.
Because at the end of the day, this isn't really just about fixing bugs faster. It's about reclaiming your most valuable resource, which is your time. It's about freeing yourself from all that tedious troubleshooting so you can focus on the fun stuff, on innovation, on creativity, and on building those amazing digital experiences that got you into this field in the first place.